Trust me, I spent hours removing this door handle on a 2024 HRV Journey wrap job. But once I found this trick, it saved me a lot of time. Let's go. So I find the best way is getting into a corner right here. It pops right in. Then you can take it and lift it up. And give it a quick snap. There you go. So that comes out. Okay, and there should be a screw right there. So now what we're going to do is take the screw out. That's the only screw on this door. Okay, there it is. First, let's take this thing off, push down, and then wiggle. There you go. I find there's a spot right here in the corner that I can get my fingers in there. And then you have to just do it in a quick motion. Don't slow it. Slow makes breaking. See, in case some clips will fall off. But then you can take this. Now you have your door panel off. Okay, you're gonna take this off, but watch out. This is absolutely sticky and it gets everywhere. Okay, and what we're trying to do is get access to that door. Take this off. Okay, I'm gonna pull this back. Don't rip the plastic. You can see how this is very sticky stuff. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just put some tape over top of it so that I don't get my hands all dirty, because the last time I did this, it was everywhere. Here's the thing. I feel like, yeah, see how it gets very dirty. Do you see this here? Okay, that's a clip. I'm gonna push it in like this, and then the door handle will release. That's it. And then the door handle comes out. I know there's usually a screw here, but we don't need to do it for this door. That's it. Your door handle's off. You're gonna press that button, and then we're gonna pull that out. Okay, because we're not gonna have any light, so I'll pull it out. So I'm gonna press it. Okay, so I need two hands with this, so we're gonna take the light out for a second, and then I'm gonna pull. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so you press from the back, pull it out. Okay, so now with that gone, now this should just come right out. See? You just finished wrapping this door handle. You gotta put it back in, and it should just clip back in. That's the easy part. So let's just come over on this side, and you can't just shove it in and see it's not going in. See how that's not going in? You gotta come in more of an angle like this. See, now we can move it in. Okay, so just one more time. You can't just put it in like this. This is not going in. Bring it in more of an angle. Okay. Then you're going to take this, and then it should just clip right in. There, just like that. Now I have this plastic piece here. Make sure that's underneath. There you go. Okay, and then just make sure it's in. That's in, so the door handle should work. That works. One of the clips we did lose, they're right here, and these ones are pretty good. They don't break. So I'm just gonna find out where it is. It's right there. See? I'm gonna add that back, just like that. Now, for this ugly black stuff. It's just a mess. Look at that. See, now this can just go back over here, just like that. No harm. We're gonna put this piece back in. Okay, that should be all good. And then I can take this. Okay. Make sure you clip the top end first. So that's in. Okay, and then just like that. So here's your screw. And we're gonna put that right in there. And just go until right there. Stick this back right in. Make sure you hear that clip. There you go. You're gonna stick this side in first. Okay, once you stick that side in, that clips in, just like that. And you're finished, door done.